right, welcome back to Good Day DC. We're so glad to have you with us, and trust me, you're going to love this segment. Christina Daves is back with us, and let me tell you, we've got some cool hacks for you. For all those parents sending your kids off to school, you may be trying to figure out what to do, what should I pack, how should I get our college kids off to the best start that we possibly can. Christina Daves, good to see you.
So good to see you.
Yes,
indeed.
indeed.
Those dorm rooms are so small.
Yes.
So we've got to be really efficient with our space.
You do, okay, but you got some cool stuff for us.
I got some great stuff. So this is, most dorm rooms, they've got lofts because you got to stack the beds so you've got room for everything else. So if you're up on your loft, you don't want to have to climb down to get your water, to get your tissue, oh, I forgot my glasses. You've got everything right here, and it just screws right onto the loft shelf.
Oh, I love it. And you got kids in college. You've had kids in college before.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, you're a Hokie.
I am a Hokie. Yes, I am.
All right. Well, we won't judge you too much, but we love the Hokies around this area.
Yes.
But you've done this before. This is no stranger to you.
Yep.
Twice. Why is it important to have a little bit of fan in your bed?
Because the old schools, like Virginia Tech, they don't have air conditioning. And let me tell you, those rooms are hot.
They are hot.
And you get figure out which fans. Well, this clips on that loft also.
Okay.
So this is right on your face, and you've got 3 speeds, and it'll just blow on you all night.
And it's a USB port.
USB port.
Love it. Easy. You can put in your you can put on your iPad. You can put it on your computer. Good to go.
Exactly. And you've got your shelf. You're going to just put it right on there. Hang your cord down.
All right. What you got here?
So again, space is valuable, and a lot of these dorms you might only have one plug. So this is a wireless plug for your phone.
Oh.
Get your phone.
I love these dock ports.
And your watch.
Everything all in one.
In one, and then when you're not using it, fold it up and stick it in your desk.
And it's easy to travel with.
It's super easy.
Love it. Okay, great. And this is the all-important surge protector, right?
So, and again, you might only have one plug. So you've got, ladies, you've got curling irons, blow dryers, all kinds of stuff. Yeah. You want one place to put. This has 12 plugs, 2 USBs and a USB-C, and it's grounded and surge.
And one of the things I love about everything you brought here is under $50. Yes. So this is retailing right around, what, 30 bucks?
I think we're right around 30,
Right around 30 bucks. This is super cool. Now, I didn't think about this when I was in college, but this is, show the folks what this is.
So this is a portable mini safe. Now, when my kids went, we used the big safes. And they're hard to carry, they're heavy, you're wasting so much space. So this is a tiny one. Put just your most important things in. You do your own personalized number.
Nice.
Lock it up. And you said earlier, but anyone can grab this.
Yeah.
But they can't cut through it.
There you go.
So no one's going to take this. I said they might blow it up, but then all the stuff gets blown up with it.
Exactly. I think a lot of parents forget to get their kids that, and then they get that call and saying, man, somebody stole my phone, somebody stole my iPad, somebody stole my passport.
Yeah.
So this is a great thing to have when you're in college.
Little thing, and again, it's small, easy, compact. Throw it in a drawer, throw it in your mattress.
And for all the nasty kids.
I know. This was not available when my kids were in college.
It was not available to me, but I probably needed it.
This is a must. The cordless vacuum.
Easy.
My son, they didn't sweep or vacuum for an entire 9 months. When we moved him out, it was so gross. So this, everybody needs this.
Yeah, easy. Black & Decker, what, around 50 bucks?
Yeah, right under.
Right under 50 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, the essential laundry bag.
And this, what I love about this.
If they use it, if the kids use it, right?
There is that too. Back to my son, didn't do a lot of laundry.
Yeah.
Okay, look how big this is.
Easy. You can fit me in there.
And this.
And some more.
But it's a backpack.
Oh, they can get to the laundromat really quickly.
Because you don't have laundry in your room in college.
That's right.
So you're going to another building, you're going down the hall, and then, this is so cool, is this mesh pocket, because you don't want your cleaning stuff or your bleach pen getting on your clothes.
There you go. And there's a pocket inside of here to put your little quarters for your kids. Yeah, because quarters. Yeah, exactly. Or maybe it's changed now. Maybe they use Apple Pay or something like that.
Mine still use quarters. We were giving them rolls when they
Nice. And then, of course, you got to have the shower caddy.
You have to have the shower caddy. Again, most schools, you're walking down the hall or you're sharing your bathroom with a whole lot of other people. So you've got, put the stuff in here, get your loofah, you've got all your skincare, your lotion, shampoos, everything all in one, and it's mesh so all the water comes through.
Easy, keep it clean. You can throw it in the washing machine. I love it. All right, so we got a podcast coming up. You got an incredible podcast. You're super excited. You got some great guests coming up.
I do. I'm so proud of it. Living Ageless and Bold.
Yeah.
Designed for women over 50. Well, I interview women over 50. Next Wednesday is the actress Gabrielle Anwar, known for Scent of a Woman. She did the tango dance with Al Pacino.
Yes, she did.
Her story is incredible. She suffers from bipolar disease, and we talk about her entire journey and where she is today and how she's doing so great.
Well, we're just so proud of you
Yeah.
and your podcast.
Thank you.
You're incredible. Thank you for coming and sharing all this with us.
Always so great to see you,
All right,
Stephen.
good to see you too,
Okay.
Christina. All right, Christina Daves, you can find her there on the screen. I'm going to hand over to you, Jacqueline, while we get ready for the college kids going off to school.
I know, some great options. Wish that they had some of those around when I was in
know,
college.
right?
Pretty cool.